In this video, we want to evaluate the following limit. Limit as n approaches infinity of arctangent n to the fourth plus 7n all over n squared plus 4 quantity squared. Let's first expand the denominator. N squared plus 4 squared is n to the fourth plus 8n squared plus 16. So then the inside is just n to the fourth plus 7n all over n to the fourth plus 8n squared plus 16. We can evaluate the limit as n approaches infinity of f of n. To do this, we can divide everything by n to the fourth to get 1 plus 7 over n cubed all over 1 plus 8 over n squared plus 16 over n to the fourth. Everything's going to cancel except the 1's. So we're just going to be left with 1 over 1, which is just 1. And so the inside of arctangent is going to 1. So when we take, and the reason we can, evaluate the inside first, so we're basically passing the limit inside the arctangent, is because arctangent is continuous at x equals 1. In fact, the domain of arctangent is all real numbers. So it's continuous everywhere. And so when we take arctangent of 1, that's just pi over 4, because tangent of pi over 4 is 1. So the final answer is pi over 4.